my name's Herb Perry. I got a 1955 Chevy S10 pickup truck that I built myself. I've had it 7 years. I come out of Alabama. It used to be an old show truck, and then I restored it and stuff and did it all the work myself. Repainted it, put the wheels on it, the brakes, and redid the bed in it, all new oak bed. Put new glass in it. It's a big back window, which is very rare, having a big back window in the back. Put power windows in it. I put one piece of glass on the side of it. Took the wing out and put a new, it's got power windows and stuff in it. I just put a new stereo in it. It's got air, it's got tilt wheel, chrome steering column, a digital dash, four-wheel disc brakes. Gas tank's been moved back to the bed of the truck. Master cylinder's been moved to the bottom of the frame. It's been lowered, got 2-inch lower kit in the front of it. 2-inch blocks in the back, lower in the back of it. That's the ride height of the truck right now. And I did all my work myself, you know, did all the chrome and stuff on the motor, and built the battery box and put all the chrome, and I did it all myself, even painted it myself. It's a 56 Chevy Turquoise Blue, blue turquoise. And I can put a little bit extra mix in it. So basically it's a one-off color, because I put the paint in there myself and did something different on it, just so everybody else didn't have it. And so far, everybody loves that color. Now, when you drive it, it's a little rough because it has those small tires and stuff on it. They're 18s all the way around on it, with mag wheels and stuff on it, but it drives good as far as that goes, but it's just, it's fun to drive. It's fun to drive. And it's fun to see the reactions people's got when you pull in someplace. Everybody wants to take a picture of it, you know, because it is a great color for that truck. And it is a Tri-5 color combination to start it out with. I did it all myself, and I love the truck.